Cousin was telling me that one, he definitely got him now. He's not even on the scan. Net.
He's a baby. That's why he went off, he bought the, I got it.
Oh yeah. Need a hook remover?
Their channel off the needle nose. So
Got him in my pocket.
No, I got him right here. That's what's been pecking at it. Alright, calm down.
We just caught something. Strike one. See Jim's nice trophy catfish.
A little blue, I think. Looks like
26.
Looks like the fin is straight.
Got 26.
No speckles on it.
Can you count them?
Alright. Got one. He's been biting us for an hour.
Which piece did he get?
Strawberry.
Both, look, both pieces are gone.
Yeah, they probably took the bottom one off earlier. Where's the chicken go? Got another one.
Oh, he's a little bigger. Yep.
Oh yeah.
Bubbles coming underneath the boat too.
Pull and drag.
Just in case they got
Probably don't have a drag set very tight, but still.
the drag is kind of loose. Giving you a fight, isn't it? Where he brought bubbles up. There he is. You got a blue right there. That's a nice fish. Oh, channel. Nice blue, isn't it?
Down there. Just leaking it out, man. Like that for a pull back. Pull it. There you go now. Pull that one. There you go.
That might help. Oh, he's heavy.
Ah, he's a baby still.
I know, but he's heavy. Like 8 pounds. Loose.
You can use the baby ones here. Away. Strawberry chicken again.
Same setup too.
Number 2 on strawberry chicken.
And Kentucky red. Right?
Get him. Reel, just reel. No, don't tug.
Yeah, sorry.
Just gotta reel. You know, when you set the hook, you just reel. Got a bite over here.
No, it's getting bigger.
You need a net?
No. The little one.
What?
Just blue.
Yeah, when you set the hook, uh-oh, you're in your other line.
They're like basketballs hitting the side of that hill. You got a bite.
See, I just reeled down on him.
Yep.
He ain't very big. I can probably pull him in.
Look at the birds coming by, trying to steal your bait. That's what they did on us up at the lake. You got caught in the lines. One hook, they hooked at one. Always a little one.
Another channel cat. Another channel cat. A little baby.
Listen to them crying. They want it. He flew a circle around us. He knew you caught a fish. You know that? Yeah, I like that sound.
I can't throw them because I don't want them spurring me.
Yeah, that hurts. That burns something off.
Whoa, I got one over here.
Damn.
Bigger one. This one's a bigger one.
Let me pull this pole. Put it in the hole.
He's still not very big, but he's still
In the way.
bigger than a
The other one.
1 or 2 pound.
Almost need a little rope on him. Oh, he's a nice one.
That's a big channel cat.
Is it channel or blue?
I think it's a channel cat.
I think you're right. It's definitely a channel. It's a nice one.
Oh, come back here, buddy.
Putting on a good fight, too.
Oh shit! Come on,
No knots on the head.
oh, he was hooked through the lip, but barely. Look at how that was to come out.
You better weigh him. That's a nice fish, man. Gotta eat that one. Oh. I'm starting to get this routine down. I hope I don't. Man, he's big. That's about the length of the one I got, but he was a little thinner at the lake because he went from my knee down to the foot on the floor and then about 4 inches. 6.5.
8. Oh, 8 pounds.
That's a nice one. Look at the scratch marks on him. It's all scratched up.
That's a channel cat. 8 pound channel cat.
Beautiful.
Let you flop me in the face here. 8 pound channel cat.
What was that on? Chicken?
Chicken?
Chicken.
8.06 is what it was.
Raw chicken?
I think I had everything on strawberry that time.
You just got the touch, man. That's got the rattler on it too, though, doesn't it?
Oh, this pole isn't what I thought him on. Is it? No? Yeah?
No, that's the one I moved over here.
Had me confused there for a second. Oh,
It's your age, man.
there's a problem. It all sank down.